Hello. I don't know when you might have lost it. When, when you decided to vacuum. Well, first I wrote in dust, penis, cock, because those are the funniest words ever. Don't drop the lobster. It's a very fancy dinner, and the cupcakes are precariously placed. I just can't handle it. So I decided I'm just going to end it all underneath the red velvet chair covered in dust because my sonata sucked and Mozart didn't show up when I channeled him through my Ouija van, that motherfucker. Everything is ruined now, so I must vacuum the dollhouse. Oh, look, I missed a call. Must have been Charles. The Jell-O pudding. Oh, it's sticky and weird, like semen. Oh, I got roses from nobody but myself. Fucking great. Time to be really weird. This is when you know you've lost it, when you're vacuuming the fucking... Wait, I'm vacuuming the fucking dollhouse.